Hello and namaste. Hi, this is Coach Bala Saraswati. I'm on a mission to help 100,000 children overcome learning problems by coaching teachers and parents. I had been coaching a parent for some time, and the parent also joined my online course of LD Remedial World, which is called the Gold Membership Program. And the parent has a child who's autistic. Now, this parent has sent me a beautiful message, and I would love to read it out to you. I'm really, first of all, grateful to that parent who took that responsibility of not giving the tutoring to a teacher. She decided to do it herself. She herself is very well educated. She left a very successful job to support her child. And then she went to many places for help. Of course, she came to me, and then I told about my course. I did some sessions with her, and now I can see that she's very confident. She sent this message to me saying, "Thank you so much for the excellent videos, especially the exercises and the tips on postures. I'm working with a 10-year-old who struggles to read and suggested the mother for colored fonts and phonics. Though the school just reopened, they have already started off with several tests. The mother started with flashcards and mind map techniques, and she's able to see the progress. Thank you. Though I was aware about mind maps earlier, I got more sense of clarity after watching your videos. Thank you so much that you got clarity and you're able to make that difference. Um, I applied for my I applied this for my autistic son who's preparing for his interviews, okay, for the new school. He is now easily able to make blog designs. Oh wow, blog diagrams and flow charts. This child is what? 8, 10-year-old. The checklist is actually very useful. So the checklist is, I provided them with a lot of resources in my course. So you get all this once you join the program. The checklist is actually very useful. First, for me, as I improved on my time management and applied for my son too, who gets anxious at times. Thank you so much once again. Thank you, dear. This parent is working on a son who's brilliant in maths. So, every school would tell ki don't send him to school. He can't read because he couldn't read well. He only knows little sounds. He's not able to comprehend what he reads, etc. So she joined my course on how to read. From that, she got a lot of benefits. Now her son reads independently. She used many techniques. She experimented with her son, and I came to know recently that he got many awards and won many competitions also, especially in spelling. Like his weakest point was spelling, and we gave some techniques. She applied on some other techniques, and recently she sent me a photograph, got the best student for spellings, like full marks for spellings. So what does it say? It says every child can learn. You have to use different techniques. You can't stick to 18th century methods to teach. और हम ऐसे पढ़ाते थे 20 साल पहले और तब भी बच्चे पढ़ते थे, आज वो पढ़ेंगे नहीं. वो आज के बच्चे अलग है, हमको बदलना पड़ेगा, वो नहीं बदलने वाले. Why should they change? They are born today. They are born in 2010, 2015. Why should we talk about what we did in 1990s? Like, I'm in this field for last 34 years, so I cannot tell in 1990 I used to teach like that. तो अभी भी तुम no, ऐसा कुछ नहीं चलता है. You have to adapt. You have to change as per the need of the child, today's child, because today's child is born with technology. Today's child is born with small families. Today's child is born with too many resources. Today's child is born with things are easily available. So you will have to change your method. You'll have to change your approach. You'll have to change your focus on working with these children. Yeah, thank you so much. Happy to hear some good words from the parents. It keeps me going. It keeps me more focused in doing my work, and I'm really grateful for those who send such lovely messages. God bless you. May your son do extremely well. In fact, I used to say that he can enter the Guinness Book of Record. I'm not telling the name of the child now, but I have always felt for his math skills, because he could solve a maths grade 9, grade 10 problem when he's actually in class 2. But his reading was difficulty. So I never worked on maths. I always would tell her how to work on reading and organizing him. and now he's able to read also. So good for the child. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye. And if you are somebody who is finding value from these videos, why keep the value with you? Kindly share these videos with other tutors, other parents. ये भारत हमारा है ना, सबका फ़ायदा होने दो, सब बच्चे ग्रो होने दो, सबके बच्चों के लिए ब्राइट फ्यूचर थोड़ा सा आपके हाथ में भी है. थैंक यू सो मच. बाय बाय.